Hey everybody, it's the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Always Fishing. I'm coming today with a quick video. Today we ain't doing no fishing. We're gonna do a quick rundown on what I like to do with that thing and all my thingies after I get back from saltwater fishing. Cause it's very important that you do these things that I mentioned every time you get off the saltwater. Cause that stuff, that's deadly. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Some of y'all already know. Just in case you don't, stay tuned. You might learn something from it, because you know, spend all that money on stuff, you don't need to make it last. So go ahead and listen to me, and I promise you your stuff gonna last long. All right, so as y'all can see, this is my boat right after I get off the salt. I mean, like fresh off the salt. I done laid fish there, took pictures of it. I got shrimps in my boat, man. Shrimps. I got all types of disgusting fish blood. You know, this thing look a hot mess. So in order to clean your boat up, what you gonna need? Some fresh water. So go ahead and turn that water on. I'm gonna show you real quick how you do it. How you gonna do it? Like this. Get that water hose and just go ahead and wash that baby down. Spray that baby down. This ain't all though. Trust me, this ain't all. Right now we just spraying it down real quick. You see what I'm saying? You know I do this because you look at all the bubbles coming up. You know I take care of it because I still got soap bubbles from last time, baby. Yeah. I spray everything up top down. And the reason I'm doing this is just to get it wet. Because this stuff nasty. I got shrimp coming. Look at all the shrimp. Shrimp head, shrimp tail, shrimp body. Spray those things down the scuttle holes. I don't know why there's a stick in there. That's a saltwater stick too. That came off one of them branches by the mangroves. We get down and dirty when we go out. Make sure you spray the whole deck, spray the whole thing. Don't forget inside your cup holders, not cup holders, rod holders. Pretty much every kayak got rod holders nowadays. Get the back real good. And it's just gonna be a quick one. I ain't gonna do every single thing, but these are the most important things for most of y'all kayaks, because I know some of y'all kayaks don't have these little outlet ports and stuff and all these fancy doohickeys right there, but there's some special stuff you do with those. If y'all want to see that, drop a comment in the video. I'll show y'all what I do with those to make them last longer. But after you get it done wet and whatever, you good. Make sure you get you a rag, wet your rag up, and that's when you go ahead and get that baby a bath. I don't care what you say, if you don't get this thing a bath, your thing gonna be dirty and it ain't gonna get all corroded. Everything gonna get corroded. Just give it a good scrub. I'll be using Dawn dish soap on mine. Dawn dish soap do me some justice. But it's easier when you catch it right when you get off the salt though. You see this? See all that dirt? Gone. 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 You want to make sure you get your hot spots too though. Right in the cockpit area, the hot spots. Get all where you really be sitting at, because that's where the most dirt and grime and salt gets built up at. Get all up in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's like giving yourself a bath. Get all in your crack. Nah, let me shut up. That's too much for the YouTube. But make sure you scrub your hot spots. You don't want to miss your hot spots. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Again, I'll be using Dawn dish soap, but it's a quick one. I ain't using soap this time because I just got off the salt. But normally I only use the soap when I don't let this sit, and I do it the day after because it's too dark when I get back. That's when I bring the soap out. Yep. And after I'm done with that, right now I'm gonna do something crazy. Give it a quick flip. All right? Dump all that water out. Get my hose, double back again. Spray that baby down one more time. You notice it look a lot cleaner now. And it's just the first time through. Just the first time through. You really love it, do it 2 times, 3 times. Don't matter. Can't never do it too many times. And that's pretty much it for the top. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the sides. Same thing to the sides. Go ahead and wet them up real good. Wet them up, bang, bang. Get the bottom. I really don't need to make this video no longer. You get to just wash your stuff off with fresh water. I also wash my cooler out very good. I let soap water sit in it until I get ready to go again, or I let it sit overnight and then I dump it out the next morning just to get that fishy smell out of it. You know, wash it out good. Let a little water sit in it for a little night, then dump it out the next morning. That's all you gotta do. And what I also do to my reel and rods, even though they rated for salt water, I spray them bad boys too with some fresh water. And a lot of y'all probably tripping right now. I'm not tripping. I grease my reels up every once in a while. But if you don't grease your reels up and you doing all this, you're probably tripping. And don't forget the rod. The rod takes salt water more than the reel, low key. That salt build up all on your rod eyes and stuff. You can't forget the rod, so don't skimp out on the rod worrying about the reel. Get the whole setup with that fresh water run down, and that'll knock all that salt out of your eyes, out of your little what they call it, stainless steel, but salt water still gonna rust it eventually. Yeah, they can't fool me. Can't none get protected from that salt water, boy. Everything corrode. I ain't no dummy. You can't go wrong just washing your stuff down some fresh water. I even like to wash my lure down with fresh water. And you know why? Because I don't know who told you this or not, but these hooks you be using, they not rust proof, man. And if you pay like $7 for 3 jig heads, man, you don't want your jig heads to get all rusty on you after one use, man. Wash your jig heads and your lures off, man. I see a lot of people coming out the next time they go fishing with rusty hooks and rusty hooks and rusty hooks, man. That's no good. Big old fish gonna pop you off with that rusty behind hook. That's pretty much it, y'all. If y'all like stuff like this, little tips on how to make stuff last, or like little small stuff that I like to do after I get back from fishing, let me know. I'll keep doing these little videos. But anyways, peace.